Student, it is one of the previous lecture of Stat 711, which could not be uploaded due to some problems. Here I shared a practical number 17. The statement of this practical is that the data was collected on systems or symptoms of certain disease after treatment in three groups, that is individual, group, and as usual treatment. Respondents were divided in male and female. Experiment was conducted to study the mean and interaction effect. These are the symptoms rate: 49, 45, 51, 47, and so on. And this is the individual groups, and it is a treatment in groups and treatment as usual. There are three groups of treatment, and the gender is male and female. The values has been copied here in the same Excel sheets. The yellow colors shows the gender male and green female. Here one for individual group, two for group, and third for treatment as usual. 1 and 2 in this column, in the column M column. In this column, 1 is used for male and 2 is used for female. The observations has been copied from here to this SPSS data sheet. Now I will label the variables in the variable view. This is a symptoms. This is a symptom variable, that is a dependent variable. Symptoms. And third is second is I think treatment group. You can write only here treatment. Treatment. And third one is a gender group. Gender. Now there is no decimal point. It is also 0. Third one is also 0. Symptoms of disease. Symptoms of and third one is a treatment group. Treatment group. And fourth, third is gender. The value is as treatment. There are three treatments. One, individuals. Individuals added to group. Third is as treatment as usual. treatment as usual. You add it. 3 groups of treatment has been completed. Okay. And gender is divided into 1 for male and 2 for female. Add it. Okay. Last 2 are the nominal scales. Now data view. Now analyze this data. General linear model, univariate. Treatment, reset these variables. Symptoms are dependent variable. Treatment group is a fixed factor. Gender is also a fixed factor. Model. Okay. Here options. Overall treatment, gender, and the interaction of treatment and gender. Compare means, descriptive statistics, estimates of effect size, homogeneity test. Continue it. Okay. Also do post hoc test on, I think there are 3 groups of treatment. Gender is only 2 groups. It is not possible to apply post hoc multiple comparisons on genders. Apply LSD test. Continue. Okay. The result has been displayed on output sheet. These are the dependent variables. The mean of individuals: male 48.12, female 47.57, and so on. Group: male 41.38, female 48.5. Treatment as usual: male 48.75, female 48. Down the slide, please. Leibniz test is used to test the equality of the variance effect. As p-value is greater than 0.05, the test tests the null hypothesis that the error variance of the dependent variables is equal across the groups. Now, down the slide, see the ANOVA. From ANOVA, it is clear that the treatment effect is non-significant on the symptoms of disease. Gender is also non-significant because the p-value of gender is the treatment have a significant effect because it is less than 0.05, and gender is non-significant, and the interaction of treatment and gender is also significant because it is less than 0.05. Come on. Marginal means symptoms, the mean of symptoms overall, and here in second tables, dependent variables symptoms with respect to treatment groups. Mean and standard are given here. Pairwise comparisons of groups. Dependent individuals with group is 0.43, less than 0.05. The p-value is less than 0.05. So it is a significant difference between individuals and group. And non-significant difference between individual treatment and usual, and there are significant difference between groups and treatment as usual, because the p-value here is also less than 0.05. Now contrast. The univariate test is conducted on contrast. The p-value is contrast is 0.05 on symptoms. Overall, the effect of contrast, that is treatment and gender, is significant. Now, in fourth table, that is treatment, group and gender, it is a comparison, a mean of individuals, male, individual female, group male, group female, and treatment as usual male and treatment as usual as female. Here the means of each category is given here, and standard deviation is also given here. Here is the multiple comparisons of individual to groups is less than 0.05, that is 0.028. So individuals and groups have a significant difference, and group treatment as is usual is also less than 0.05. Therefore, there is also a significant difference between group and treatment as usual. But the treatment as usual and individuals are non-significant because the p-value is greater than 0.05.